Recover your deleted Instagram account in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So the first there is two ways to there is two situations. So first situations is if you deactivated your account, so you can get back into your account under 30 days after your deactivation. So you have to get back to, so firstly what you have to do is you have to go to your account. If you deactivated it, so to reactivate it you have to go to your account, and then it says like log in back to your account, or so you have to click on the login and then you can log in into your account. But in case of you have permanently deleted your account, so what you have to do is you have to you and if the there is the 30 days is passed, and after your account deletion, then you can't recover your account. But if yeah, you want to recover your account in under 30 days, then you can do it. So please make sure that you can so please make sure that you can do it in the in the after under the 30 days after your account deletion. So after 30 days, when you go to the account, then it will not show up result, and it the account your account will be permanently deleted. So that's the guide to recover your deleted Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.